AssalamuAlaikum everyone. This is Artikia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really quick hijab tutorial with earrings, and I think this is perfect for upcoming Eid or any events. If you want to know how to create this hijab look, please keep watching and do subscribe my channel for getting more styles of hijab and hit the notification bell. At first I am taking on my earrings because it will be difficult after wearing the hijab. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please don't forget to give a like and comment. Thank you.